Hey everybody, we're back with another video. Today, we're going to be reviewing the YJ Yusu 4x4 and the YJ Utron 5x5. They're both budget magnetic cubes. They're both around like $13 to $20. They're pretty cheap for their price. And to help me with this big cube unboxing, I have a special guest. Cut the camera. Hi. Yeah, this is Owen. He's my friend and classmate. He's gonna be helping me with this unboxing. So
Best friend.
yeah, best friend as well. So let's open the box. Okay, first off, what is this? This is. That is okay. Other than that, it was a pretty cool experience, cool unboxing experience. Pretty simple as well. I really like the shine on it as well. You like it too?
Yeah.
It looks pretty cool. Except there's not really a shine on the orange line. But anyways, so there's just like a pamphlet here. Why is it a 6x6 tutorial?
Wait, what? No way.
Oh, this is Chinese. Wait a minute. Okay. Hope you can read Chinese. I'm kidding. There's a side. There's a.
That's backward.
Oh, there's a. Oh,
No, wait, never mind.
Yeah, it's not.
It's backwards for them though.
Yeah. So basically, it's here. It says how it's. Oh, that's why. It's like how to solve a 4x4, then here's a 5x5, and just 6x6. I guess they're all pretty big cubes, so that's.
But also in Chinese, you read left to right. That's why you saw the 6x6 first.
Okay.
And right to left. Sorry.
Okay, yeah. Okay, maybe that's why. Anyways, let's try the turning. You wanna try first?
Sure. Yeah, the turning on the outside's okay, and on the inside, it's a bit worse than I expected, but you know.
Yeah, let me try. Okay, since it's a budget 4x4, budget even big cubes are like not good at all. But I just got this to see if it's at least okay. So yeah, let's try it. Okay, wow. So it's like really loud. The turning is smooth but takes a lot of effort. It's okay.
How much would you rate the turning out of 10?
Wait, first let me try the inner layers. Okay, right off the bat, the inner layers are it suffers the same problem. It catches a lot and suffers the same problem as every other budget 4x4. Like catches a lot. Otherwise, if you bought this, I wouldn't think you need an upgrade. This is still mainable. It's just it looks like these pieces in here. They're not like okay. These pieces in here are not really stably connected to the cube, like the inner pieces. Like you see these pieces.
Yeah.
Those are
That is weird.
no, actually that's supposed to be there, but I feel like those pieces I think they need a bit modification for it to be a little better, and it looks like they would pop out easily because they're like very loose.
So yeah, so out of 10, how much?
Okay, so for turning, I grade it a 7 out of 10. It's not great, but it's good enough.
Check the corner cutting.
Oh yeah, corner cutting. That's a really great. That's a really great thing I forgot. So let's try here. Okay, normal corner cutting. Normal corner cutting. Okay, wow. It cannot. Okay, that is okay. Do you see that, guys? That's not even okay. Oh my god, what? It's catching a lot. That's what I mean.
That's a 4 out of 10.
A piece just
Make that 3.
a piece just popped out. Okay.
Yeah, make that 3.
Wait, okay, so the normal corner cutting is not great at all. That piece literally just popped out. And then reverse corner cutting. Okay, at least that's better.
Okay.
And reverse corner cut, but like only one centerpiece. So like the
Maybe a 4 or 5?
yeah, I'd say the corner cutting is a 4 or 5 exactly. It's not the corner. It can't. It okay. So the corner cutting, it cannot corner cut. And it can reverse corner cut, but I feel like that's a little more important. So actually, instead of 4 or 5, I actually now that I think about it, I'm gonna give it a 6.
6, okay.
So final rating is 6 out of 10.
So then overall it would be a 6.5?
Yeah, I'd say this cube is a 6.5 out of 10.
Okay, hopefully the 5x5 is better.
Yeah. Okay, so
Still, weird packaging.
what is this? YG, you need to make your unboxings better, or like your unboxing experience better. Okay, I hope the turning is better. Okay, first
The
thing.
turning, I hope the corner.
So it cannot. So it doesn't have a pamphlet, which is weird. I must have lost it or something. But so here's the cube. The first turns. Okay.
How much out of 10? 9? 8?
Okay, this is really good. I'm gonna give this a straight 10. The turning is impeccable. I mean, like you can do turning really fast. It's like super smooth and super addicting. Actually, it's like really fun.
And corner cutting.
Okay, so wait. Let's try inner layers. Oh my god! Even the inner layers are good. The inner layers are so good. Oh my god, guys! Like, oh my god, that is crazy. So I'd give this a 9 out of 10. The turning a 9 out of 10. Actually, since it's a budget 5x5, odd number cubes are not too bad actually. So I'm not that impressed. But after turning the 4x4, this feels heavy. This feels like heaven. I mean, this is amazing. So you can try it.
Okay. Yep, this is good.
It's really good, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's a little loud and it catches, but it's otherwise really good. So let's try corner cutting. You want it? The corner cutting. Okay. Reverse corner cutting first. Okay, it's okay. I feel like the 4x4 one is better, but it's more smooth than the 4x4 corner cutting.
So you give that a 7, right?
I give it an 8 actually. This cube is like really good. If you did get it, you definitely don't need an upgrade for like ever. This is like, if you have this is the best budget 5x5 in my opinion. It's like really blocky and smooth as well. So sometimes it's a little flimsy.
So this 4x4, would you advise them to buy it or no? It was a 7.5.
Yeah, so 6.5.
6.5.
If you bought the 4x4, it's okay. It's good, but yeah, it could be better. So yeah, that's no okay.
Yeah, you have to strain.
Yeah, I think if you would tension it, it would be better. But if you got it, don't worry, you don't need an upgrade. It's okay. And if you want and if you're gonna buy it,
Try to get a different brand.
yeah, try getting the it'll probably be up here, the Moyu Melon one. It's a little cheaper and it's like really good. So yeah. Okay, now the overall review of the 5x5. So the 5x5 is also really good.
Its overall rating was an 8.5.
Yes, I'd give this cube an 8.5 out of 10. if you add, oh wait, and actually, I think if you add lube to both of these, it could corner cut really, really well. But also, can you explain why the 5x5 is the same size as the 4x4? That's a little.
Isn't it supposed to be bigger?
Yeah. I mean, it's like barely bigger. No, it's the same size. So yeah, that's funny. But yeah. So I guess okay. So I was impressed by all these cubes. If you should definitely get this one. And if you got this one, you should probably get the Mojo Mail again up here. But this is good if you have it. And even if you got it already, again, even if you got it already, don't feel regret. It is a little bad, but if you know how to reassemble a cube, then if you know how to reassemble big cubes, then I guess you're fine. You'll be fine. Yeah. You can if you don't know how to reassemble cubes, you're in trouble. So if you don't know how to reassemble cubes, you should probably get the Mojo Mail. If you do know how to reassemble, this will pop a lot, but it's okay. So yeah. Anyways, let me know what you thought of my review, and make some videos with this guy soon as well. So yeah.